start solving today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is valid triangle number. Given an array nums, return the number of triplets chosen from the array that can make triangles if we take them as side lengths of a triangle. So basically we have to find the number of triplets. Okay. Now here let's go and see if if I am given with three numbers, let's say I have A, B and C, and I want to check if this can be sides of length. That means it is a triplet. Okay, then how I will check is if my A plus B is greater than C, strictly greater than C, B plus C is greater than A, and C plus B, not C plus B, C plus A is greater than B. If all these three conditions satisfy, that means these are the my triplets. Okay, triplets of triangle. I can say these are my sides of triangle. Okay, and this is basically any two sides of any two sides, any like sum of any two sides must be greater than the other side. Then you can say this is my triangle. So let's say an example is given 2, 2, 3 and 4. So if we take this 2 and let me this yes 2 2 3. Okay, if I take 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 is greater than 2. 2 plus 3, this 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 is greater than 2. And here here it was 4. Okay, and 2 3 4, if we take 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 is greater than 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 is greater than 4. And 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 is greater than 6. So total many pairs which we are getting 2 2 3. Okay, and here we are getting 2 3 4, and we are getting 2 3 4. Okay, now we got these three pairs, so our answer is 3. So if you go and see the example, here you can see 2 3 4, 2 2 3, and this. Let's see at this example 4 2 3 4. Okay, 4 2 3 4, 4 2 3 4. In this case, what are the pairs I can consider? 4 2 3 is 6. 6 is greater than 3. 7 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 4. Now 4 3 4. 4 plus 4 8 7. Okay, now 2 3 4, and I can consider what 2 3 4 is done. 4 2 3 is done. 2 3 4, 4 3 4. Again 2 3 4 is done. What is one more pair? I think what is our answer is 4. Okay, now here if I have went through 4 2 4, 4 3 4. Now I have option 2 3 4, which is one more. If you see, let's check. 2 3 4 is there. 2 3 4 4 3 4 4 2 3 4 2 4. Oh yes, we missed this 4 2 4. So these are the four pairs. Now let's see how we will solve this question. Is we are going to first what we will do, we will sort the array. Then next what we are going to do, we are going to maintain 3 pointers. One will be left, one will be right, one will be the current index. Okay, so one will be left from here. Let's say we have elements from A B C D E F. This will be my left, this will be my right, and this will be my index. Okay, now this is my sorted array. Why we are sorting the array is my always my left number is less than right is less than index. I'm talking about the numbers, elements. Okay, now if I say my L, okay, num of L plus num of R is greater than my num of index. If I say this, what does that mean? If I move forward L also, that means always B is greater than A. If my B is greater than A, and if I do L plus 1, this condition also satisfies. So, if my this condition satisfies, okay, if my this condition get satisfied, what I can say is that means from all these pairs I'll get. That means if I have A, E, F, then I can have B, E, F without checking. I can have C, E, F. I can have D, E, F. Okay, and so I can what? I found four pairs by just calculating for one. Okay, so if I have this L, see, always A is less than B. So if I add B value here instead of A, that means it will increase, not decrease. So it will be always greater. Okay, so what we will do, we will point one to the start, we will point one to the end, index, current index, and one will be right. So if I'm getting this condition, what will be my answer? Will be count plus equal to R minus L. Okay, so it will be index, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 minus 0 is 4. We will get 4 pairs. Okay, and then next what we will do? We will move our R this side. So my R will point this side. And same we will do. If we don't get this, else what we will do? We will just move. That means it is less. So if it is less, I want more. So for that we will move forward to get more, because always B is greater than A. So this will be our, that is why we are sorting. Okay, so first we will check this condition. If yes, then we will increase our count and we will decrement the R, else we will increment the left. Yeah, that is why. Now for we will start coding. So in that, from our I will be from where to where? Our I will be from n minus 1 to what? 2. Because at most, see, my left will be 0 every time, and my right will be I minus 1, and my I, okay, I is n minus 1. So if my length is, let's say, not n, if my n is, let's say, 2, so in that case my index will be 1, length is 2, not 2, 3, because for triplets you need 3. So my index will be 2, my R will be 1, and my L will be 0. So at worst case, if we have L will be 0, L will be here, R will be here, and my index will be here. Okay, so we will run this index from n minus 1 to maximum 2, and we will take these two pointers L and R for every index we are going to consider. Now let's start coding. Yes. So here what we'll do, let's take int n is equal to nums dot length. Okay. And here what we want is, let's say, int count is 0 initially. For int I is equal to what? N minus 1. I is greater than or equal to 2, as I explained, 2, and I minus minus. Okay. Now I will take left as 0. Now I'll take right as I minus 1 just before that. What I'll check? I will check my nums of left plus nums of right. If it is l- what is strictly greater than nums of my index is I. If yes, then what will do? Count plus equal to right minus left. Why right minus left? It's just a length from left to right. Okay, and we will decrement the right. Okay, and else that means this is less, so to increase the value we have to move the left forward, because we miss one thing. Before that we have to sort the array, so I'll use arrays dot sort. Now so we use the built-in method. Yes, and at the end we are going to return the count. So let me run this. Yes, it is giving us the wrong answer. Let's check what's wrong here. Yes. Till when we have to do this is we missed one condition while my left is less than right. Okay. Not for every I, right? So for every I anyway we have to do it. But before that, if we do this, okay, it's like for every index we are going and checking. We have to just give me some time. So if left to right, then only we will go from right and left, right, and at then we will go for next index. Okay. So let me run this now. Let's submit this. Let me submit it again. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated.